dress season. I said, like that.
Yeah, it looks fire on you. Wait a minute. Weren't you just in the living room?
No, baby, that's my twin sister. Did you say hi?
Yeah, I did.
To go out in botte shorts to see my boyfriend's reaction.
Damn, Debbie, where you going?
Oh, babe! What the hell is that? You scared
Where are you
me.
going like that, baby? You better not be going anywhere.
Yeah, I just need to run
You're
a few
staying home,
errands.
right? You're staying home?
No, it's hot girl summer, babe. I'm gonna have
Hot
some
girl
fun.
summer, not you sagging. You're
Babe!
sag.
Babe, are you ready to go in the pool?
Yeah, I'm almost ready, babe.
What? Why are you wearing?
We're matching. You took mine, so I didn't have nothing to wear. I had to wear yours.
You're not even matching.
I had to wear
You're not
yours.
even
You took
matching.
mine.
What the hell? Is that a white girl peeing in the tree? Oh, Miss, what the hell are you doing?
Being spiritual, being one with nature.
Oh, hell no, it looked like you was peeing.
No, I'm just balancing my chakras.
Oh, no. I see the pee on the floor. Right is right here.
That's Gatorade.
No, miss, I don't play that shit. That's a hazard out here. And now I get to use my shiny cuffs.
Oh, God.
You a bad bitch. Come on, you got any weapons on you?
Ow, just grenades.
Grenades? Those look like grenades, too. Mm-hmm. I'm going to jail.
Swear I recognize
white
you.
girls doing everything they want to do. Let's go.
Ow! Wait up! Why did you
Ow! Bro, why would you do that? Why would you do that, dude?
Yo, baby. Take you out on a date.
Take me out on a date.
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
I am positive.
Really?
100%.
Huh. Don't you think I'm a little bit too tall for you?
Oh, baby, you perfect.
Really? Is that so?
Absolutely. Turn around.
Ooh, wait!
Ooh.
Who did that? Who did that? Boys, retreat, retreat, retreat. You got shoes. You got Chino. How come it did? No one did it? Okay. I'm gonna fuck y'all up. Who was that?
Yo, guys, come check this out. Come check this out. Yeah, wait, hold on. We gotta get it before.
Wow.
Yo, right?
Dude, the view is insane.
I know, right? This is one of the dopest places in Beverly Hills. Everything you can want here. Here is the pool. So this is even doper, right? Yeah, right?
Whose house is this?
So this is actually my house.
This is your house?
Yeah. Are you guys brother and sister?
Oh, no, this is my girlfriend, yeah.
Oh, you guys are, okay. Well, so look, man, like, unfortunately, we kind of, like, can't have any guys here, so, like...
Oh, well,
yeah,
if she's staying, I can stay with her, right?
No, actually, like,
She got a boyfriend.
that's the opposite of what I'm saying.
Oh.
Can I stay?
Unfortunately.
I mean,
we
have dinner.
You can get takeout.
I mean, look, I just think, bro, like, if you actually love your girl, you should let her, like, do her thing and, like, have fun. I think.
I gotta Uber.
Alright guys, he's coming. Oh, I'm nervous. Here we go. Oh my god. He's coming like what the hell? Ready? She's beautiful, she looks kind. She probably gives you butterflies. I hope
What are you doing?
you're happy.
What are you doing?
Like how you love me. I'm selfish, I know, but I can't let you go.
Night.
Are you giving Daddy his tools? Good job, baby.
What about this one?
Ay, ay, ay. Bichotazo.
Who did that? What's wrong with you?
Bichotazo.
Who?
Chupapi. Chupapi.
Who did that?
Chupapi.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Chupapi.
Who did that?
Chupapi.
Whoa, guys, hold on. Y'all want to fight?
Yeah.
No. I said, do you know what's the Sprite?
What's this, right?
Yeah. Oh, guys. I said, do you guys know what yaoi is? Do you guys know what yaoi is? Yaoi?
Hey, go, why the fuck my name always in your mouth, bitch? Cause you the main bitch running your fuck. Bitch. Yeah. Follow me on the ground.
Let's go.
What's good, my boy?
Yo, we just with some bad girls, yo. With the first. You fucking. Hey, excuse me. I love your car. What do you do for a living?
I work in the adult entertainment industry.
Adult entertainment industry.
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. Cool. Did you go to college?
I did. I have a degree in history.
History.
Hence why I'm busting it open on the internet.
Okay. Well, nothing wrong with history. There we go. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Daniel, Matt?
Hey, what's up, man? What do you do for a living? Yeah. You seen the videos?
Yeah, I've seen the videos. Yeah. All my learners permit.
You got your learner's permit and you're driving this.
This is his practice car.
Practice car.
It's fucking hard. I got it 5 minutes ago.
Wait, really? 5 minutes ago?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Well, quite the car to practice on. That's sick.
Thank you.
What do you do for a living?
Huh?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, like I like your car. What do you do?
Oh, you like the car? You said what do you do?
Yeah, what do you do for a living?
Animal production.
Animal production.
You know what that mean, right?
No.
We breed bullies and Frenchies.
Oh, okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
¿Qué carajo tú haces, Alexandra?
No, nada, mi amor, un poquito nada más, no. Un poquito nada más. Un poquito nada más.
En serio, Alexandra, el jodido pelo.
Ay,
con el tiempo, no, coño, está.
Mi amor, pero ¿y la venganza?
Eso no se hace.
Esa es la venganza.
Eso no se
Mi
hace.
amor, sorry,
mira, mira.
Sorry,
el pelo,
ay,
el
papi,
pelo, no.
sorry.
Wow, nice. Okay. So do the, yep. Okay. Now the outside. Oh, it's great. And then I'm ready to.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's great. Great.
And then do the yellow to do the border around.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's important.
Like the whole.
Yeah, whole thing. Yep.
look at
Nice.
Look at that.
Okay, so Dawn power wash, free and clear. Okay. And maybe just tidy up the triangle a little bit. Just tidy that up a little bit.
Pink, that's here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, help me.
Yep, fill that in. Nice, 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 nice.
Okay.
All right, if you're happy with it, I'm happy with it.
Okay, good. Now look at
Okay,
this.
so let's see this. So this is what's going to make it happen.
Yeah, it has
Okay.
to be like the spray kind.
Okay.
See this? Like the
Yep.
spray.
Oh, okay, yep,
Okay,
okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
You got some there, ready?
Okay, so you're spraying the soap on the paint.
Like that.
Great.
I think that's good.
I hope
and then
the
the black.
I hope the laptop still works after this. This is going to be amazing.
So now you need
Yeah.
black, and it's going to cover.
Okay, so on top, is that enough soap?
I think it is actually. It's just I didn't shake up the black can yet. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
That's good.
So let's see it. Yep. Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
And then.
Okay. Well, this one's the one that you got to go really slow across
Yep,
both
slow,
ways like
yep.
that. See that? See the way that pattern goes?
Fill it all the way in.
Yeah.
And then after it goes all the way, you go once back the other direction.
You have to get it really coated.
Yep. There you go.
Go back over it, and get those edges too.
Like that.
There's a little bit of edge, yeah.
Perfect.
It's getting good. A little bit of edge
And then
over
right
here,
there.
and you'll see it starts to show through the soap.
All right. Quick. Stop. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Where's
So
the-
now,
All right.
well, wait a second. So now we both take these water bottles.
Mm-hmm.
We dump them. It's supposed to get the black away, and it's supposed to leave only the colors minus what the dish soap did.
Okay, so
Here we go.
open that
Open
up.
it up. Here we go.
Okay, so, okay,
And then you gotta pour it right on there.
okay.
Yeah.
So, and do you pour it like at an angle, or what do you
I
do?
think like down. If we
You
both go.
well, actually, put it down, because we don't want the paint to smear just yet.
So, like-
we're gonna get it, but we do.
Maybe this way?
We're really gonna pour the water all over everything.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's moving. So I
Okay.
think we leave it down maybe.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
we leave it down. Yeah.
The paint's starting to show through a little bit. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we need to do more black?
it's
Are we
gonna-
good?
Perfect.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Okay, okay. So I'm ready. I'm ready to see it.
Okay. So
I'm ready to see
I'm
it.
gonna count for you, and make sure because it's gonna
Pull
reflect.
the water close. Yep.
Yeah. Well, no, don't get it on it yet because see it happening. See it
Okay.
happening. This is what the water is gonna accentuate. It's
Okay.
very, very cool. You ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready to see it. Let's see it. Yep.
Watch it.
Ready?
There's 1,
Yep.
2.
3, 2, 1. Okay, bro. Yo, you think you can do that blindfolded?
Easy.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Here, throw this on.
Come on. You know who I am, bro?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, Ryan! Bro, that's already so impressive.
Too easy. Make it go faster.
You want it faster? All right, ready? I'm gonna hit it.
Let's go.
Oh my God, go! Oh my, bro, this is insane.
Let's go.
Oh, bro, that was a close one. Oh my God, man! Let's go!